Hey, today I'll show you how to save for web a picture in Photoshop. This is a very big picture and definitely you don't want to put this on a website because let's check the size. Here I have the picture and if we'll check the properties, it will be almost 2 megabytes and you don't want to put that on a website. So let's see how can we save for web this picture. Well, you have two ways how to do it. Either you go to file, then go to export and here you'll find save for web. Let's press on it, or either you have a shortcut to get into the same menu. If you press Alt, Shift, Ctrl and S, and this will get you into the same menu. Now this is the resolution of the picture. You don't want to leave it like that. Let's decrease it to, I think, 1280 by 853. That will do it. Now you can select the JPEG from here. I will leave it like that, and the quality I will leave it usually on just high. And now let's try to export it and see what the results are. Let's name it test. And I want it to be saved on desktop. Let's press on save, and now I want to check that picture. It's right here, and let's see what the size is. So it's 455 kilobytes, and it's extremely good compared to the original size where it was almost 2 megabytes. So this is how to save a picture for web in Adobe Photoshop. I really hope you have a great day from wherever you're watching right now. Bye bye.